Did you know that Pop-Up Smart offers super helpful online PDF tools for free? That's right, and today I will show you how to merge your PDF files in super simple steps. Let's begin. So I'll just click Merge PDF right here, and then I will choose my PDF files. And then when you upload them, you can see them all together. If you want, you can just play around and organize them. You can change the order of the pages. And if you want, you can delete some of them. You can also change the rotation of the pages, as you can see. And if you want to merge another PDF file, just click the plus icon right here. When you're all done, you can just click Save and Download. And here is your merged PDF file. So if you need to compile multiple PDF files into a single comprehensive document instead of keeping numerous folders, this tool is just the one you're looking for. You can check out this tool and the others by clicking the link in the description box below. Bye!